what a pain in the butthole changing the power steering pump on this fucking truck was. Because it's so fucking old, right?
Yep.
Seized fucking tensioners, seized this, stuck pulley. Where does this red wire go? Red wire, oh red wire, red wire. So I see it's to an aftermarket relay, but follow that red wire over there because I didn't walk that far.
Looks like it goes to the battery.
Is it negative or positive trip?
I think it's negative.
So I see a fuse holder. I see a bunch of butt connectors, right? So I got a butt connector here, a butt connector there.
No, it's positive.
So it's positive, positive.
Just look. See it wiggling a little bit right here.
So positively wired to the brake line and not insulated. People. I mean, it's been on here, but is that the right thing to do? Look. Zip tied through a zip. So relay, blue wire, crimp connector, zip tied to brake line, which is steel, right? Battery voltage. Zip tied to steel brake line, zip tied to steel brake line. Butt connector, fuse holder in the middle of the truck. Why? I don't know why it's there.
Yeah,
but
that's supposed to be way over here.
And then butt connector again.
Yeah.
Butt connector, zip tied to brake line, zip tied to brake line, zip tied to another power wire.
Goes behind the fuse box.
So would you call this a wiring fail or success?
I mean, the fuse holder isn't in the right spot. Should be way closer to the battery.
Well, in a more convenient location than all the way in the back.
But I mean, I don't think it's that bad.
Since when do you wire 12 volts to iron without being insulated properly?
I mean, definitely going to brake lines isn't a good idea. But I've seen much worse.
I've seen a lot worse too. And I used to wire shit in my hot rod days so assed up. No fuses, no relays, just toggle switches, and I never burned anything up, but I never wired it like that because I already knew better. Thanks for watching.